guys, what's up? This is Forum and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, travel and everything that I love. And today we are gonna unpack this trauma together. Let's dive into the video. So I thought let's do a classic what's in my handbag video. But mine's not gonna be like those sunscreen and chewing gum only. It's gonna be full real, full chaotic and full too much information. I don't care energy. Because if you are nosy, I have something for you to snoop through. Let's unpack this handbag of a trauma together. I am actually finding everything in order. Okay, so first up we have the classics, which is obviously a passport. We have sunglasses and a power bank because obviously I'm not going to be begging for a charger at the airport. And I also have this boarding pass right here from 2 travels ago, which I don't know why I'm attached to. I'm actually a big time hoarder with some mild attachment problem I can see from my bag. And now I suddenly feel this was not a good idea. But okay, moving on. This is also one of the sections where my skincare stays rent free. Let's start with the MVP, which is the sunscreen. Do I apply it mid-flight or after my flight and terrify the person next to me as to what am I doing? Yes, absolutely. I need to do that. Okay, I see lip balm 1, lip balm 2 and lip balm 3. Obviously, I cannot just go with one lip balm. One is with SPF, one is for hydration, and the other one is for cuteness. Like, yes, I will apply this lip balm, be so like glossy and juicy and pretend that I'm in a Vogue travel editorial while I wait for my, gates to open. Okay, the next item is probably gonna get me banned in a few places, but I refuse to gatekeep joy. This is, wait for it, drum rolls. This is Rhythm Bloom's full body wand massager. It has 20 different vibrations and a 360-degree rotating head, which means it gets you like no ex of yours ever could. Just saying, this thing is not just for like moments of pleasure. It's also great for that post-flight back pain, leg pain, and also hotel pillows that feels like cardboard. Bloom said full body and they meant it. And the best part is that this little powerhouse comes with a 365-day warranty, which means more commitment than any of your situationship. And it's also the most affordable full body wand out there compared to all other wands that I've ever seen. Affordable, powerful, loyal. I mean, if this were a man, I would have probably gotten married to this in Bali. I mean, listen, travel is chaotic, Wi-Fi is bad, beds are squeaky, and loneliness creeps in at 11:43 p.m. Doesn't it? You probably may not get this one, but she gets you. Trust me. Also, if you want to, I mean, no pressure there, but if you want to use my code FORUM20 to get a sweet 20% discount, you could go ahead and do that. Okay, now we are entering the real chaos zone. Again, I need two perfumes. One is a roll-on, one is a perfume. This one is slightly a bit flirty and fruity. Wow, that rhymes. And it honestly makes me feel like I have my life together. This is also like instant confidence and might help me seduce someone at the duty free. And we have this cute little notebook. I think I really love this green color and obviously a pen. She looks so like innocent, but this is where I write all my deep thoughts at 2 a.m. Sometimes it's poetry, sometimes it's a packing list, and sometimes it's just advices from the strangers I meet on the road. And this is truly like my support when I come back home from all my travels. And sometimes I even bitch about my boyfriend in this book. And here comes the part I dread the most, the cable jungle. This has like my earphones and this has like my phone charger and my watch charger and some other charger that I don't even know what it is for. Then we obviously have my camera, my GoPro on the go because I have to shoot all my vlogs from the scratch. I cannot just wait for the trip to begin and then vlog it. I need to vlog everything and it comes with a stand as well. Then obviously my chashma because iske bina I am literally blind. So I have to carry this. So I've got like my sunglasses and my eyeglasses both. Truly, this bag has it all. Like, if I lose this bag anywhere, I am lost. I've got like lipstick 1, lipstick 2, and lipstick 3, which is nice. You always need to be prepared. And I've got like my mic case again. And I think, oh wow, I forgot this is I think from one of my travels again. These are like just few things I randomly carry in my bag from all my travels, and you'll find like really different things, like a lot of different things in my bag. Like, I cannot go anywhere without this. This has seen so many places with me in the last 1 year. I need to have this. Now comes the snack stash, as I would like to call it. We've got like a few mint. Weirdly enough, I have a sachet of coffee. This is from my last trip to Oman, I think. And oh yeah, I have got also some like chips and of course a protein bar because I could die hungry anyway and I cannot be hangry. This bag is like so stylish on the outside, but an overwhelmed squirrel on the inside. Like, hey, that's just me in a bag form, I guess. Honestly, this bag carries chaos, calm, and a little bit of spice, just like me. If you expected a normal what's in my bag, you must be new here. This is not a bag. This is my emotional support. This is trauma in a handbag. This is my entire brain in like a canvas form, I think. But now that you know my deepest travel secrets, you have to tell me yours. What's the one thing that you absolutely cannot travel without? And no cheating, don't say phone or passport. Give me like all the weird stuff. Like, do you carry your teddy bear? Do you carry a stress ball or a potato masher or anything? I mean, anything. I just want to know all the weird stuff. No judgment here. Drop it in the comments and let's unbox this together. Yeah, I think I'm just going to end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and let me know what other videos do you want to see. I am here to make things a little more spicy, and I truly enjoy this a lot. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.